the day of Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, everybody. We're going to open our gifts. Merry Christmas, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the day with your family and friends.
Police, guys, you want to see me John Cena? Police.
What is she? We all matching with our pajamas. Got it, except Shiloh didn't have a black shirt. You Marshall. Kingston, what are you doing? Alright, you want to hand it out, ZZ? You want to hand out gifts? Yeah. Okay. Ooh, those are cute.
What is this?
That's a cute outfit.
So somebody has a sense of style.
Yeah.
What is it?
Oh.
You got a VR?
Are you guys looking at anything over the thing?
What phone she gonna put there?
Hey, are you guys looking at
Kingston,
Mom.
you gonna be styling.
Oh! I'm not gonna show
How you open my stuff?
It was on accident. Oh, that's it.
Wait,
You like your clothes, King?
the little bag? I think it's for your dad.
Mom, you know how obsessed I am with this? You know how obsessed I am with this?
That's pretty.
Oh, this is makeup.
That's a Sarah.
To do her hair.
Open this one up. It says
What's that?
I got 2.
Ooh, thank you.
Oh my gosh, look!
It's a marble little pour. That's ooh, Kingston, that is nice. That's nice.
This is so cute.
Let me see, hold it up. Let me see, hold it up, Kingston. Oh yeah, I like that. That's a nice jacket. Now you won't be cold.
I'll never forget
Okay,
this
give
Christmas.
Shiloh her little gift so she can
All right,
open some.
it's fine. The bags are gone.
Oh, it's a wrap.
I will buy
Go
some.
ahead. Get $1. Wait, what is that? Okay. Ooh. It's purple and blue.
Shy, where are your gifts? Shy.
Right here. Here, Shiloh. Look, Mama, here. Yay.
I learned my lesson.
Open it.
It's a little purse.
See,
Let me see. Nice. Let me see. It's an LOL bag.
Oh, yes,
Everybody's giving me LOL.
You say you like LOL.
I love LOL.
What's in here? So 2 things. No, I don't.
Ooh, let me see, Kingston.
Oh, yeah.
Ooh, I like that jacket.
It's a jacket.
This is the exact ones I saw in the store.
She did have some. She didn't open it.
Guys, everybody's giving me LOL. Oh my god, they know so
Ooh,
I
nice.
feel like this one's from you.
all people.
Zizi.
Oh, Shiloh.
Oh, that's cute. Okay, just hold it up for Shiloh.
Shiloh.
You're not.
All right, so this is Shiloh. Who's gonna be? Clearly don't.
Oh wait.
You want? This is for you. That is cute. Yeah.
That's
For you, Shiloh.
Let me see.
Shiloh has this too.
Oh, look at the book. Yay! High five!
High five.
High five! Yeah. Yeah. Oh, that's a nice little outfit.
I know, right?
It's nice.
Look at that. This is Shiloh's too.
I'm so impressed. Good job.
It's a bubble machine.
I think you'll keep it with a bubble machine.
Let me see. I got a PlayStation 4. Please play with that responsibly.
I will, thank you.
With your dad or your mom.
What's that, King? Let me see.
And I can see your mom somewhere else.
Oh, yeah, I'm gonna go hide.
I got one too.
Ooh, nice. So y'all can all play.
Oh, yes. Thank you.
Oh, yes.
You have
Jackets.
musical genius?
Yes, I did.
Ooh, what game is that?
Oh,
Oh, that's a coding game. Let me see. Oh, you put it on. Oh, wait, look. Oh, that's cool.
How do you know this was mine?
Marshall Michael.
I forgot he was in here.
Ooh,
Right.
I mean, Shiloh.
Look, yo, I got one too.
You got one too?
Bob is
Oh, Ooh. And it lights up your room.
Mom, I need some help.
Oh, those are cute.
Be quiet. Oh, yes, that's from police.
Oh, that's cute.
And
Oh,
I
she
need
wore those
some
for her
help.
boots. Just rip it open, girl.
Oh,
These are for family. Thousand family. Gigi, help.
Oh my gosh! Why is everybody giving me LOL?
Oh wait, we forgot the stockings.
let me see.
What's in the stockings?
I tried to make
Yes, it looked like you. I know.
Which stocking's mine?
That's cute.
Stocking's mine. I wanted to see how pretty.
I know.
Shiloh?
Shiloh gives no cares.
Wait,
Let's go.
can I open the F nothing?
20. Dang, I should have waited.
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
Okay, so you get yours?
So good.
Did you look at yours? It's right there.
Thank
The red one.
you.
$20 in
That's
PlayStation
mine.
gift cards. I got me a necklace that's
Me too.
Oh,
I know.
Yeah.
You've been asking for beanies.
I'm opening the F now. I don't care.
It's a necklace with a cross.
Ha ha ha.
Ooh.
You just dump it out at this point. Wait, hold on. Mama,
Yeah.
we get two of these mystery toys.
Yeah.
I watch F now. I know.
It looks
Yeah.
like Daya, look at my necklace. Daya,
What'd you
look at my
get?
necklace.
So guys, this is the mat. I'm gonna get one of these. I'm gonna get two of these. This is common, uncommon,
Oh.
rare.
And Zizi, this is your bite.
Kumi.
Not Layla, that's your bite.
Open Shiloh's gift. Somebody open Shiloh's gift.
Where is she?
God, mama.
She don't want to
Give
open
it to
it.
God, mama.
She do it to the side.
Poor Marshall. He's just lost in the sauce. Come on, mama. Ooh, Shiloh.
Where your Barbie doll? I'm pretty sure when y'all throw this away, y'all gotta make sure that y'all always throw it away.
Oh, look, Shiloh.
Got a baby doll. Yeah.
It's yours.
Gigi.
She said, give me that. Go ahead, pass that over here.
Frog.
Shiloh cares about the baby doll.
Whose name?
You see your jacket, Grandma?
I need some help, Layla.
I did.
Yeah.
That's from Papa.
No, I don't care. I'll open it.
Arkansas, yeah. Oh, that's nice, Grandma. Ooh, that's pretty.
Oh, and then another couple days, it's gonna be my birthday.
Yay! Birthday coming up in 4 days.
We
Oh, we got this clothes escape. Oh, we're not winning.
Wait, did you see the twister?
Won't you wait till?
Look, you guys still have stuff.
Oh, wait, okay, so
What's
this
in the
is...
black and
Wait.
what's that
No,
bag
let's do
over
this
there?
one.
Do this family one.
Oh, that's family. Do this one. You.
Well, you can do that one. Go ahead.
I'll do this one.
HP.
That's from Auntie Portia.
Auntie Portia.
I didn't know you were rich.
Bro, what?
What, bro? It's a laptop for all your kids. You should share it. Don't take it out. Just leave it in.
Thank you, Auntie Portia.
You guys share that.
Thank you, Auntie Portia. Oh, that's crazy.
That's from Imani and the boys.
I'll tell you.
That's a laptop.
We're gonna be killing everybody.
I'm not cleaning
Not
up
like that.
whatsoever.
Oh, we got some more. Hold up.
Oh, yeah.
What's this?
Connect.
Oh, we got red rice. We got
Auntie
some
Portia? Yeah. For the kids.
Thank you so much, parents.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. So y'all can shoot each other. Let me see.
Oh, you said we're shooting each
That's
other.
good. That's a nice game. That's a nice gun.
Hey, who said we shooting each other? We shoot everybody.
What?
Who said we shooting each other?
Yeah. Holy.
Oh, yeah.
I just said you guys stay
Yeah, you guys targets.
We're Target.
Wait, Dad's
What if I put my stuff in my bag?
Yeah, you can do that.
Thank you.
And now we gotta cook.
Oh.
Because we're barbecuing. Again, the tree is devoured. Say hi, Nana.
Hi, Nana.
No, I mean say hi, Grandma. Oh, Lord. Yeah. We got the gang going.
Can you please help me fix my VR? So I got an iPhone 11 Pro Max. It's working for everybody else's phone except mine.
We're a little
For
frustrated.
the Androids and I don't know what phone my grandma has, but this it's called this. This is what it looks like. I need some help trying to fix it. It's not working.
Got a baby shy.
It's not working. It's not working for you.
Yummy. We got the meat right here.
Oh, I thought you said they
We got the beef ribs in there slow cooking. We got the macaroni. The yams going. The beans. Salad. My kitchen is toe up. We got Gigi.
the whole board again?
You got Auntie Girl, if you don't dump that meat on that plate. You just put it on my side. The guns? Oh. Oh yeah, y'all. We'll be back because it's about to go down. It is about to go down.
A few moments later.
There's Layla.
We just came in from riding our bikes.
Yeah. Was it
I
fun?
got hurt though.
You hurt yourself? What happened? Dang, let me see. Yeah. First bike injury. That's what I'm talking about.
I missed a big ugly mistake.
Oh, whoa!
Mom.
Wow! Oh, I'm playing defense. I'm playing defense. False! I'm playing defense right now. Ultimate football. Oh, stop!
As grandma sits in the background and be quiet.
Why would you throw away the ammunition, man?
Where you going, Keisha? Get up! Get up! Hey, stop slamming my door!
Chuck, go downstairs.
Oh, that's not
the video out here. Hopefully everybody had a Merry Christmas. We're gonna finish our game wars, our Nerf wars. But don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell notification. All right, Bfam out.
Bye,